Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best commercial meat grinders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many commercial meat grinders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each commercial meat grinders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a commercial meat grinder. First, think about the grinder's capacity, which determines how much meat it can process per hour. For busy kitchens or butcher shops, higher capacity saves time and increases productivity. Next, check the motor power, because a stronger motor handles tough cuts efficiently and lasts longer. Material quality is also important. Stainless steel grinders are durable and easy to clean. Consider the type of grinder, whether manual or electric, based on your workload and convenience. Safety features like emergency stop buttons and secure attachments protect users during operation. Lastly, ensure the grinder is easy to disassemble for cleaning and maintenance. Choosing the right commercial meat grinder improves efficiency, quality, and safety in food preparation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.